Dirty chair. It's going to start with right foot march. Take a deep breath in, relax. Then we're going to add a kick right here. Then I'm going to change this kick to 3 kicks, 3 marches. Kick, 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 march, march, march. Then watch this change. Travel around the chair, other side. 3 kicks, 3 marches. Then we're going to change it. First part's the same. Then give me a repeater knee. Do that again. So you want to work those legs in a circle. Last one. Reach. Let's do it. Sumo. Half up. Notice my back. Maintain great posture. Take a deep breath in. Last one. Hold it here. Lean it on back. So we're going to go back, up, up, reach. 1, 1, 2. 2. Are you partying? Are you having fun? Come on, push it. Push. All right, more intensity work. Legs. Dynamic. Balance. You can do it. Stay on those toes. Let's do that again. Lift. Down. Think long through the neck and shoulders. Then all the way up. Reach. Down. And then I'm going to pick up the pace. So let's do that a little bit faster. Breathe. Tap again. Extend and reach. Reach and reach. Keep that body alignment. Then put your leg up onto the chair. Find your balance. Push off. So this is a light leg lift, but you're going to feel it in the quad. You can push off with the bottom leg. Then we're going to do a little contraction here. Notice how light my arms are. Just 2 sets. Turn it over, and let's work the arms. I want a nice long back. Retract the back, squeeze the triceps. My knees are bent. I'm keeping that great back position. You don't have to bend this far. Oh yeah, up we go. Soft landings. One more. Hold it up, kick it out. You can turn your hand backwards or forwards, depending on your comfort. Reach. And then on this next one, I'm going to hold it for a few seconds. Press. You want to tighten the quad. Push the heel away from you and lift your chest, because that's going to give you a much deeper hamstring. Stay right there. I'm going to hold a few more seconds, and I'm kind of pulsing my leg. Then take the leg off. Reach it behind into a nice deep lunge, and we're just going to reach it down into the leg. Spin it up. Last one. Squeeze. Dip off your chair for a little added stretch. Come on in. I hope you enjoyed Challenging Chair. Until next time.